Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video, smash burgers on a cast iron griddle. Shout out to Everyday Barbecue who I picked this up from. Great recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's what goes into these burgers: onions, garlic, Montreal steak, black pepper, bacon, mushrooms, and I use 80/20. Take the ground meat, go ahead and throw your favorite seasonings in it. Again, I like the Montreal steak seasoning and black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder into this. Give a little bit of additional flavor to this. Not too much garlic because it can be overpowering. Mix that all together. Alright, now we go ahead and make these into big size meatballs. Alright, there we go. All the meatballs all set up. Alright, we'll go ahead and get those vegetables cut up. Throw that garlic in with the onions. Mince it up. First thing we're going to throw on there, get the bacon going. Bacon makes everything better. We got to drop some of this grease off into the trap underneath. We don't need all that grease for the next part of the cook, but we're going to save some of that bacon goodness right there for the vegetables. What's a burger without fries? Next up, get our vegetables going. Get a little bit of steam going with this. Help cook these vegetables along. A little bit of black pepper. A little pinch of salt. All right, we'll take these vegetables now, push them off to the side, turn down the heat. They're almost done. We'll let them finish off, just sitting right over here on the side. Next up, get some smash burgers going. We've got the heat cranked up. You can see the smoke coming off the grill. Let's go ahead and put our smash burgers on. Gotta get to smashing these burgers. Look at that. Alright, gonna go ahead and move these over. Let them finish cooking off over here on this side. See if we can't get some buns toasted now. Get the butter on the griddle prepped up. Go ahead and toast a couple of these. They should toast pretty quick. Turn it down some, that butter is burning. Alright, there we go. We're going to go ahead and pull some off. Go ahead and set up for the plate. There it is, final product. That's a meal fit for a king. We're going to go ahead and eat it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Teach a Man to Fish channel. If you did, click like, subscribe, and share. Come on back for more.